Finding Ono. Welcome. Today I am going to be making a French omelet. And as you can see here, we've got 3 eggs, actually 4 eggs, and got my salt and pepper, and I'm using Parmesan cheese, and some chives, water, and I'm gonna show you how we do French omelets. Here are all the ingredients. Let's get started. So I actually am using 4 eggs. What you want to do is, I like using a fork, and please forgive me everybody, it's quarantine, things are shut down, postal services are delayed, so I've jerry-rigged some ways to try to get as much as I possibly can. If you have any tips or suggestions, throw them in the comments, please, on perfecting video productions for blogs. But use a fork. I don't like using whisks. I always hated using whisks for whisking an egg, because what happens is you get air. Air gets into the eggs, and so I prefer using a fork to whisk it, and so you just go ahead and do that. Set that down here. I'm gonna continue whisking more. I'm using Parmesan cheese. You can use Gruyere, you can use Parm, you can use whatever you like. You can be creative. So it all depends on what your preference really is. So yeah, got that going here. And also with a good old French omelet, you definitely want some chives. So yeah, definitely, absolutely, some good fresh chives. You can't beat it, And so fresh chives will do the job. You want to top that off towards the end of the cooking process. Absolutely. And also, I forgot to mention to you folks, what you also want to do, is, everybody's different. You throw a little bit of salt in your egg. There's nothing wrong with that. Not absolutely a thing wrong with that. And a little bit of pepper. Why not? There you go. Yeah, perfect. And so continue giving that a little, absolutely, And so, yeah, basically you got the salt and the pepper, got the chives, got the cheese, got the cheese shredded, and I'm using one good knob of butter in the frying pan. You want to put it on a good high heat. You want to wait for the butter to brown, and then you throw your eggs into the pan. And also, what you want to do is you want to put just a little bit of water. That's all. Just a little bit of water into your eggs. Gives it some of that nice texture, that moisture. Absolutely. So now I've got the pan on high heat. The stove usually cooks faster at a higher heat than other stoves. So you want to wait for the butter to when the sizzling, when it all goes away, when the butter is brown in the pan, you want to make sure you have a nice hot pan, folks. That's very important. And when we throw the omelet in there, I'm not going to start probing it and what have you, and taking a fork or a spatula. That's not the way you do it. What you want to do is you want to give it a nice shake. And I'll show you exactly how that works. But got the chives all chopped up, ready to roll. Got the cheese, got the eggs ready to go. And this is going to be great. So you just want to wait for it to, brown up a little bit, and it's going to be spectacular, folks. As you can hear the sizzling. As soon as the sizzling goes away, that's when you want to drop the eggs. There you go. Get that nice, good old sizzle. Wait till it browns. There you go. Now, so what I want to do is when I drop the eggs, you want to constantly shake. There you go. Absolutely. You want to keep on shaking. Keep on shaking. Form yourself a nice omelet. French omelet. You want to shake vigorously too, if you can. You know, this is definitely going to be a practice for me, folks. You know, we all learn new things and what have you. So, yeah, this was all about. You know, during this quarantine, basically has taught us to innovate and adapt and learn new things. And so, by all means, I'm not a pro, but you know, I'm sure, I hope this will inspire you to do some new things and what have you. Keep on shaking. Absolutely. You want to make it nice and soft. There we go. So now what you want to do is you want to throw some chives in. As you can see, I'm throwing some chives in now. Absolutely. Throwing a little bit of chives. Absolutely. There we go. Perfect. Throw the cheese in. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. Okay. Amazing. Turn off the heat. Everybody, so here you have it. I'm doing a backhand hold here, and what you want to do is you want to basically put it in, let it go in slowly, let it roll out of the plate slowly like that, right? And you know it's still going to be cooking. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that. There you have it. There you have it. Good old, you know, good old French omelet. Oh yeah, look at that. So that's your French omelet right there, folks. And so what you want to do now, and you want to top it up with a little bit more of chives. Look at that. Absolutely. A little bit more chives here. Perfect. And there you have it. I should have, you know, hey, like I said, we all have new things we're doing, new creations. You know, there you go. There you go, everybody. The classic French omelet, and inside the omelet, it's nice and soft. It's a moisture. They call that baveuse in French. And so, there you have it, the classic French omelet. Amazing. Johnny Oram finding Ono.